such an amazing bag. Look how it's just popping with this fur that I'm wearing today, this fur stole. Caviar leather, so amazing, so pretty. I think it will look great with any outfit. Hi dolls, it's your girl Tisha Monique back again, and today dolls I have another fantastic fabulous find for you in the form of a bag. What else is new? I've been showcasing all of these fantastic fabulous bags that you can get your hands on for a fraction of the price, but with that same gorgeous look. So if you're interested in seeing from the thumbs with this gorgeous bag that I'm super excited to share with you dolls today, then just stay tuned. Then let's jump right in. You will absolutely fall in love with it because I am so obsessed. And this is a gorgeous Chanel bag that you have to get your hands on. I'm so excited to share it with you. A very beautiful bag that I have been loving. I'm so obsessed with it. And I just wanted to hop on really quickly today and share with you guys this gorgeous, gorgeous bag, because gorgeous girls need gorgeous bags for sure. Perfect for the holidays. I think this is a gorgeous bag for the winter season that'll take you into spring. So let me share this bag with you right now. Let's go. Now the bag that I have is so beautiful, guys. It is the perfect size. It goes with everything. Now I know if you're like me, you've been seeing all of the dolls with this bag, and this is a nail shoulder bag, which I think is so beautiful and that you dolls will absolutely love because I'm obsessed with it, okay? Looks like this. It is a shoulder bag. I will stand up so you dolls can see it a little more clearly, but let's get into the details. Look how gorgeous the hardware is. It does have the chain closure, the chain shoulder strap, and I did get mine in the bronzed gold. It has the side flaps here with the Chanel emblem embossed on both sides, which I think is so stinking cute. Oh my gosh, dolls, it's just such an amazing bag. Look how it's just popping with this fur that I'm wearing today, this fur stole. It just looks amazing, and that's how I was carrying it today. I don't have it packed up today to share with you dolls what's in my bag, but truly it holds a lot. You can pack so much stuff in this bag. It's a beautiful bag. I think that it would be great if you had a organizer in the bag, but you can see it empty. Look at the quality of that quilt. Caviar leather, so amazing, so pretty. I think it would look great with any outfit. Detailing on this is amazing, and it is a big bag. Like, I'm trying to get the bag in the shots. Hopefully you dolls can see this okay. But the way that you do the chain is you just squeeze the CC logo and pull, or to loosen it up, you just pull and slide like that. So you can collapse it a little bit or make it as big or as small as you need it for space. This has the snap closure on the sides, which I think is so handy for sticking your phone in here or your camera on the go if you are a vlogger like myself, but just anything, dolls. And then the shoulder strap is so tea. It looks like that. So nice. Oh my goodness, look at that on the shoulder. So pretty. One thing about me that you dolls should know by now is that I love a good bag. I love to have a bag that is high quality, even if it is not necessarily spend all the coins on it from the actual boutique. This looks amazing. There are no telltale signs on this bag. It's just a beautiful bag. You've been seeing this bag like me all over social and it's just such a gorgeous bag. So I had to get my hands on this bag. I love it. I love the color. I went with the black. I also went with the muted gold hardware because I thought that it would be very functional, go with a lot. Today I just paired it. It's a little cooler, so I just paired it with this first stole, just a casual little cute hat, my Chanel earrings, and this beautiful lip. This is a combo of a NARS lip. I'll put the details below. I'll link it for you dolls, as well as a Fendi Mob Wives lip gloss on the top, just to give it a little something something. And get into this bag, you guys. Look how gorgeous this bag is. It is such a beautiful shaped bag. I think it holds so much, so it would be great for on the go. It would be great for a work bag or travel is what I really want to get into this. But for day-to-day use, for daily use, it's such a gorgeous bag. Look at the detail of the hardware. You cannot beat this. Absolutely gorgeous. So amazing. And it's just a great shoulder bag. I love a top handle bag. I also love a great shoulder bag. So I have been wanting to get my hands on this bag for a while. You dolls know I've been showcasing a lot of bags for you here recently, but I just have been building up my collection and getting some really nice high quality bags that will last and last and last. I do store these back in the dust bag just to keep them free from oil, moisture and such, so that they don't showcase any wear and tear. But yeah, I've been loving this bag ever since I got my hands on it. When it came in, I was instantly obsessed and in love. So I wanted to just share this with you dolls today. I'll put all the details below for you guys so that you can go and check this bag out or any other bag that you want. This one does come in a variety of colors. You could also size down. There's a smaller size here for this bag, and I'll put the details for the name of the bag on the screen, the sizing, the typical pricing, and then you can go to the website and you can see for yourself the difference in price, but the quality is there. Like, this is one that you definitely want to get your hands on. It has all of the details like inside of the bag. You can see the logo embossed on the inside. The leather is not too shiny to where it looks faux or anything like that. It's just so gorgeous, okay? What a beautiful bag. This is hands down top notch. You should definitely pick this one up because it is so fabulous, and I love fabulous things, and I know that you do too. So dolls, this is the bag of the day. I'll definitely be coming back to you guys with a what's in my bag, so stay tuned for that, because I will love to pack this bag down and show you guys how I've been carrying her and what I've been putting in here. I do have some of my Chanel pieces, bags and stuff. That's what I've been carrying in this bag. I do want to get a wallet to match it, but for now, I've just been loving this bag. It's a lot bigger than it's showing on. This is how it looks. It's a great quality quilted leather, the Chanel chain, the Chanel detailing on each side and in and out. And you just cannot go wrong with this bag. It's so stinking cute, so fabulous. Yes, dolls, this is the bag of the day. Definitely want to get your hands on it while you can, but there are a variety of different bags on the website that you can check out. You don't have to stick with Chanel. They have other bags, but this is such a beautiful one that I definitely suggest that you go ahead and look and try to pick you out a bag or two. That's it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it and me sharing these bags with you. Please leave me a comment below and let me know if you want to see more bag video, bag review videos, bag share videos of these fabulous finds. Be sure, like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you dolls in the next one. Bye.